I get asked all the time, what tools do I use? I know that it can be really overwhelming to figure out what platform you should choose. So today I'm going to do something a little bit different and I'm going to show you around one of my favorite Kiwi platforms called Autohive. What I really love about Autohive is how easy they have made it for regular people to really explore for about the same price as a month's worth of ChatGPT. You go ahead and load up your Hive, and here you get to choose different frontier AI models or AI agents that they have made for us. So I can go ahead here and grab ChatGPT, then get Claude, then choose from Gemini, Grok, the list goes on. So if you've been wondering what all the fuss is around those other models, now you can have a chance to find out. But beyond that, the team at Autohive have made it really easy to create your own AI agents. To prove how easy it is, I'm going to run through this brand voice analyzer with you today. So I'm going to go ahead and get that agent. And I'm going to use it to create myself a new LinkedIn ghostwriter. So all you need to do here is upload some examples of your own writing, which I have done. Then I'm going to go ahead and say, hi, can you please go ahead and run a brand voice analysis? I just want you to notice that I am in New Zealand. I strictly want British spelling conventions, dates, currency. And also, I want you to help me with LinkedIn posts, but I am allergic to hashtags. So no need for those. Thank you. And then it's going to go ahead and run that analysis. Oh, and by the way, this cursor, this B cursor, that's me. It's not them. I was just like, oh, I know, I'll use a B. Anyway, I'll let it think. Great. Now it is had a first pass at this analysis. Let's have a look. Writing style is a blend of witty, self-deprecating humor and sharp, insightful commentary. Could be guilty of that. Write how I talk, yes. At first glance, this looks pretty good. And this is where the magic happens. The brand voice analyzer has written out a beautifully structured set of instructions for us to use. Under normal circumstances, I would be going through this with a fine-tooth comb just to double check and to pick anything out that might not be consistent. But let's not bother with that today. So I am going to go ahead and copy those. Now look how fast it is for me to go make myself a ghostwriter. I just click the plus button, create an agent, and here I am going to call this agent Gloria, the LinkedIn ghostwriter. Then again, this is really cool. So you get to choose your model type. You can just experiment. So OpenAI, I'm quite a fan of 4.1. And then I'm going to do is copy paste all of those instructions directly into there. Makes it so easy. Then you can go along and give this agent capabilities. What does that mean? You can connect it to your Google Calendar, your Drive, Notion, so on and so forth. I'm not going to do that right now. And so with that, we can just hit create. And there is Gloria. So now we can go ahead and start testing her. I really love using AI ghostwriters or AI writers in general, just to help me when I've got an idea in my head, and then I can just verbally brain dump my ideas, and then they can take a first pass at putting some structure around those thoughts. So I use whisper flow for my dictation. So this is the type of process that I would go through. Hi, Gloria. I am writing a LinkedIn post, and you are going to help me. This post is going to be all about how Autohive have made it accessible for everyday people to start really exploring AI. They're making it easy to experiment with all of the different frontier models to create our own agents to connect them up to tools. I have in this video made you Gloria. So we can even talk about the fact that you're going to help me write this post. Also point out the fact that this company has been born right here in New Zealand. It's been fantastic to see all of the progress that they've made. Okay, now, you know me. I don't want any cringe in here. Don't keep it too serious. And yeah, avoid the hashtags, the M dashes, So just like that, I have given her a bit of a brain dump around what I want. And full of Kiwi pride. Thanks, Gloria. You got me. Okay. I mean, still living in pajamas. I feel like I spend quite a lot of my time in my pajamas just because I work from home. Anyway, I would then go through this. This is a first pass. There's nothing to be ashamed of for using AI to. So would partner on this to make some refinements. Now, how I would then work to refine Gloria is I would go back and forth. If anything was coming up that I was finding annoying, Autohive has made it super easy to fix because all you need to do is go back to your brand voice analyzer, find that chat, and say something like, what I'm finding is that you are using too many emojis, and the lovely brand voice analyzer will update your instructions for you, and hey ho, you just copy and paste those and update Gloria. Honestly, super fun. There's way more that Autohive can do, but this is just a little taste. So if you're a beginner out there and you've got driving curiosity around experimentation with agents and also other models, this is well worth checking out.